In high school, I feel like I kind of always knew that the medical route was where I wanted to go. I loved the idea of helping people, and nursing is really where you get to interact with the patients and build a relationship with them, which was really important for me. I actually transferred into UNI's program once it started, and I think the main thing that really got me is I loved the small class sizes, and I really loved the idea of the integrated classroom where we get to learn a skill and then go in and practice it. I'm a really hands-on learner, and so the idea of having all of the extra practice time and being able to literally learn a skill and then start doing it on our own, and then the technology and everything that they have is just so amazing. I mean, you can do just about anything on a mannequin that you can do on a real person, and so it allows us to really build confidence in our skills before we go out into the real world and start practicing on people. That way we're more confident, so our patients feel more confident.
YouTube today, is that okay with you?
It sure is. I'm a little nervous about it though. You did a nice job measuring, so you did mark it, right?
Yeah. He's comfortable and called for X-ray to come in, also verified place.
The University of Northern Iowa offers a Bachelor of Science nursing program in which we are very proud of the fact that we are going to create a practice-ready nurse. What that means is our nurses will be ready to enter the job role and really hit the ground running. We provide an immersive program in which students get to practice. We get a lot of time with our students, and we're able to see areas that they may need coaching in, and we're able to identify that quickly, address that area, and then move on and watch them grow and learn.
I've really been able to build close relationships with my classmates because they're the ones going through the exact same thing that I am, and so we've been able to lean on each other and build stronger relationships as we go through the semesters together. With a nursing degree, you can really go so many different places. You can stay at the bedside, you can go into aesthetic nursing, and there are just so many different routes that you can do with it. You can change specialties every 2 years if you want to, and so it's a career that I know I'll never get bored in.
Nursing is an art, which we have to connect with our patients, but it's also a science. Nurses spend a lot of time with their patients, and watching the students grow and flourish and really identify that that's going to be them someday is really rewarding.